Laugh out loud, mastering the art of funny storytelling for teens. Hey, fabulous folks! Today, we're diving into the world of laughter with a video all about how to tell stories that make people laugh. Whether you're in a classroom, at a party, or just hanging out with friends, these tactics will have you owning the room with your humor. So, let's jump right in and discover the secrets of funny storytelling. Kevin Hart is an absolutely captivating storyteller, and he's made a career out of the ability to instantly hook people and then make them crack up. The good news is that he wasn't simply born with the ability to tell a great story. Anyone can learn to do it, and if you'll stick around till the end of this video, you will have the most important tools to do so. Because while there are tons of techniques, the most important thing you can learn are the mindsets that lead to great stories. The kind that get people cracking up and begging to know what happened next. That's what we're talking about today. But first, let's talk about how you can get a group of people to even listen in the first place. Picture this: you're about to share a hilarious story. To kick things off, set the scene. Transport your audience into the moment by painting a vivid picture with details. Recently, I was at a family reunion, and my crazy aunt brought her pet parrot. The chaos that ensued had everyone in stitches. So, tip number 1, set the scene like you're narrating a blockbuster movie. Before crafting your story, consider who you're talking to. Understanding your audience's sense of humor, interests, and experiences will help tailor your story to resonate with them. What might be funny to your friends might differ from what makes your family laugh. Add some humor through details. The devil is in the details. Sprinkle your story with specific, relatable details that add humor. Instead of saying, "I went to a party," say, "I went to this party where the music was so loud I could feel the bass in my soul, and the dance moves were straight out of a disco movie." Now, let's talk characters. Make your story relatable by introducing characters that your audience can connect with. Think about those quirky friends, classmates, or family members we all know and love. I once shared a story about my friend who attempted a bizarre dance move at a school talent show. Trust me, it had everyone rolling on the floor. Ground your story in relatable experiences. Start with a setup that everyone can understand and relate to. If your story involves a mishap during a group project, begin with the common frustration of working in a team. The more relatable the setup, the more engaged your audience will be. Next up, let's talk about timing. Mastering the art of comedic timing is like having a secret superpower. Practice pausing for effect and delivering punchlines with impeccable timing. Remember that awkward date you went on? The awkward silences? Yeah, use those to your advantage. Pacing is crucial in comedy. Vary the speed of your storytelling to build tension and create comedic timing. Speed up during exciting or humorous moments, and slow down for emphasis. This can enhance the delivery of your punchlines and keep your audience engaged. A well-timed surprise can elicit genuine laughter. Introduce unexpected elements or plot twists that catch your audience off guard. Whether it's an unexpected turn of events or a surprising revelation, keeping your listeners on their toes adds an element of surprise to your storytelling. Build anticipation like you're crafting a suspenseful thriller. Drop hints, create suspense, and keep your audience on the edge of their seats. I once told a story about a surprise birthday party gone wrong. The build-up had everyone hanging on to every word, waiting for the hilarious twist. Your nonverbal cues can amplify the humor in your story. Use facial expressions, gestures, and body language to complement your narrative. If you're recounting a funny encounter with a friend, mimic their expressions or recreate their mannerisms to enhance the comedic effect. Ever heard the saying, "Go big or go home"? Apply that to your storytelling by using exaggeration for emphasis. Take a simple situation and amplify it to the max. I once exaggerated a camping trip where everything went wrong: mosquitoes the size of eagles, disastrous attempts at setting up tents. You get the idea. Above all, be yourself. Your authentic personality is your greatest asset. Share stories that reflect your experiences, quirks, and unique perspective on the world. People love genuine stories, and your authenticity will shine through. So, embrace your inner comedian and let your personality light up the room. And there you have it, the secrets to telling stories that make people laugh. Remember, the key to making your story funny and engaging is to infuse it with authenticity, relatability, and a touch of surprise. Adapt your approach based on the context and your audience's preferences, and most importantly, have fun with the storytelling process. Whether you're the class clown or just want to sprinkle a bit of humor into your conversations, these tips will have you stealing the spotlight. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more laughter-inducing content, and share your own funny storytelling experiences in the comments below. Until next time, keep those stories rolling, and keep the laughter flowing. See you, guys.